today is the day that I am installing my new screen. So currently the OEM radio I have is the OEM BRZ one. So first thing first, remove the 2 bolts right here, and so on and so forth. So right now we're unscrewing everything with a bolt. So we had these, now we have these. And we're gonna need a wrench for this one right here. Same thing on this side. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, so she's out. Please don't pull because you got all these wires. So now we have to switch over these wires behind here into the new screen. We're just gonna disconnect everything very slowly, all right? What the fuck? So if we compare them side by side, there's a difference. All right, so all the connectors are different. So basically right here on the OEM radio, so what we're gonna have to do is minimize. So for example, this is the wire that comes with the new radio. So this one connects to this little thing here, and this connects right here. So what does that mean? That means now we have to match up all these old to fit into these connectors. Let's do that. That was so fucking easy. We're back in the car. Got her loaded. So let's reconnect everything. Okay. This by far was the hardest thing to install. Like, no joke. I'm not even gonna take it out because I'm so scared. Like, I can't do it again. So basically what I did is I pushed the 2 clips on top first, then pushed the bottom, and now finally, morning view. I am so happy and absolutely satisfied. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Everybody needs one of these. Everybody.